Okay, I'm out here in Edgewood. This is Rich Noto, Florida licensed realtor, Florida licensed home inspector, noted public. This is the Sofia from Lennar, 2,040 square feet, 3 beds, 3 baths. Let's go inside and have a look. I don't know if I've ever seen one of these before. This is really nice. I'm surprised. Wow. So when you first walk in, there's a lot of space. It's a big, open, spacious feeling. Not that it's very open, but it has that feeling. Let's see what we have over here. We got a kind of a step-in closet. It's a big one too. Full bathroom. And a bedroom right in front of the house. Excellent room, excellent flex room. Nice furniture and upgrades in this thing. Here's your laundry room. Oh, forget that. That garage is stuffed. I just noticed that this room, the theme, is dinosaurs. It doesn't get any better than dinosaurs. I mean, check this out. Look at this. How tall is... That's wonderful. I like that. Yep, everything here is dinosaurs. I feel like the dinosaurs are probably the first thing that, you know, that we as children kind of take interest in, I guess you could say. It's an excellent kitchen. It really is. There's just a lot of cabinet space. I was kind of fixated on it. And when I opened up the pantry, I did notice that there was more room in the pantry as well, because you could kind of step in there a bit further. It's a great covered lanai. It really is. Master bedroom. You know, I saw this plan and the first thing I thought of was the movie Predator. If it bleeds, we can kill it. I don't know why. I think that's because the blood was on the leaves. That's what it is. The blood was on the leaves. Okay, so back to the house. Yeah, so these ceilings are crazy high because again, I could touch a ceiling that's 8 feet tall. So just ridiculously high ceilings in this model. Oh, look at this closet. I like this paint color too. It's kind of like a greenish. I don't know what the camera's going to translate it to, or whatever you're watching it on, but it's like a greenish, a lightish greenish color. So let's have another look at the closet from up high. Yeah, just a lot of space. I mean, 2 people. So say if I'm over here where these coat hangers are, if I'm standing over here, there's all this room for somebody else to walk around. So, a really great closet. Let's see what we have here. Probably a towel closet, I would think, because the master bathroom is right here. Fantastic shower, you could just step right in. There's no shower curtain. I like these. All right, so who is this house for? Well, I'm going to be honest, this is probably the nicest Lennar model home I've ever seen. I mean, it's just, whoever came in here and put thought into this and put, the furniture and the little shelves, I mean, except for these little, I don't know, dusty things, I don't like those, but everything else looks fantastic. I'm in shock. I really can't believe it. So back to who is this house for? I like the fact that the master bedroom is in back of me. I think that's great. This kitchen, I love it. And I love that the kitchen is kind of set in over there, which kind of gives it a little bit of separation from this room over here, which is the living room and, the dining room. So I just think that it really adds to it. I think that it's fantastic the way it's divided. So like if I'm sitting here, I don't feel like I'm in like one big square, even though of course it is attached, but it definitely has some nice separation. That's what I like about it. What do you think out there in YouTube or video land? And then of course over here, when we go this way, we have this room, the dinosaur room. I really want this thing, by the way. I really want one of these. I like it. And this room has its own bathroom attached to it, so it's kind of like having like a mini master as well. And then you have this room, which is the flex room. And then down here, what do we have down here? I forgot. That's right, there's a bedroom over here. So essentially what you have is, you have 4 rooms. If you need 4 rooms, or 4 bedrooms, because really a flex room is, it's pretty much a bedroom. It's a bedroom without a closet. That's a flex room. And how many people actually need a closet? You could go to IKEA and purchase something, that you could build and to hang stuff if you really need it. But yeah, I mean, this is a great house. I like it. I think this is probably one of my favorite single-story homes that I've seen. Great layout. Again, we're in Edgewood. Please don't hesitate to reach out and contact me if you're interested in buying a home over here or any place else. Thank you for watching. Have yourselves a great day. Now, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out and contact me. I'm No Pressure Sales, and I do work for you and represent you as a home buyer. I do not work for any home builders or represent them. They always work for the builder, and what I mean by they is the salespeople, the sales teams that work at the builders. Now, when you contact me first before heading over to the builder, you won't void your free representation, okay? Now, the home builders everywhere do pay for it, but many of them have certain rules and regulations where your realtor needs to be the one to enter the office with you, or even sometimes if you email or call builders, that can void your free realtor representation. Now, one of the great things about calling me first as well is that I like to work with the sales associates that are the best at the builders, the ones that have really good knowledge of the place and also are very low pressure, nice to work with. That's super important. The other thing in the process is, your money. You always want to keep your money safe. Many times home buyers call me after the fact. They contact me when it's too late. They're in a contract and they have problems, and now they're trying to get help from me. And many times they've seen my videos, which they openly tell me. They've seen my videos and then they end up telling me, you know what, you were 100% correct. I wish I contacted you. Now I'm in this situation. So contact me first. Let's have a nice process of finding you a home, a safe process where your money, everything that you do with your money, when you put it down, everything's done correctly. And then after you're in contract, let's make sure that your home is also assembled correctly. A home that isn't assembled correctly and is built poorly, that's not something that you want. So for me, for my home buyers, those are my concerns. I want you to have a nice experience in the beginning. I want you to have the best sales associates where possible. I want you to have a nice process going into the contract. Everything is done safe. And then after that is the home building process. So there's going to be several things along the way that I'm going to do to help you in that. So, don't miss out on it. For you don't pay for the service. You're not going to miss out on any incentives or lose them because you use my service at a builder. The only thing that you will do is you'll miss out on everything that I offer you in the process, because home builders do not reduce the price of a home because you pass on using a realtor. It just doesn't work that way. And many times you end up with the best deals because I'm there with you and I'm able to ask the right questions, okay? Asking the right questions and knowing what to say and how the deals work is super important. So don't be shy. Give me a call, email, or text. Thank you.